Yesterday I printed a small cushion and today I printed this big one. So let's just remove from the machine. Let's just remove it from the machine and see. So this is the big cushion. I printed it using my TPU filament, then through the bourbon tube, and then it took me around half an hour to print this. So yeah, this is what that looks like. So after the trimming the edges, I just made a small tear over here so that I can fill in with cotton, and so let's see. So I just filled it with this cotton and it looks like some pillow. So as you can see, it's bouncy and it's filled with cotton. So yeah, you can just do this, and it's really comfortable. So yeah, you can now make a soft pillow. So look, it's almost like my hand. See, it's not small. Let me show you something. So this was the smaller one that I made earlier, and this was what I made today, and this was what I made. It's completely in PLA. This one is in the border is in TPU, and this one is also in TPU. So one side is shiny, you can see it's reflecting. The other side is not so, but it has this cool look to it. So yeah, my first 3D printed cushion. छोटा cushion, बड़ा cushion, custom pillow using 3D printer.